Hey guys, it's your boy Cody7th, also known as the Music VRI. Today I am back with another video. Today's video is about how you can extend a beat. Now you're probably wondering, what do I mean by extending a beat? I mean, for example, if you want to add in an extra verse, an extra chorus, or if you just want to make the beat longer. To do this, all you need is a track. The first thing I'm going to do is listen to the track. I'm going to try and figure out the song structure. Okay, the first thing I did, I figured out the tempo. To figure out the tempo, all you have to really do is just click on the tap button and tap. So play the song, 1, 1, 2, 3. So tempo is 115. Okay, the first thing, I've realized that this song has an intro. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to add a time marker and name the first bit intro. I've realized also this bit here is like a rise. So I'm guessing this is going to be the hook. And then let's see how long the hook plays for. We see that here, the intro up until the hook is only 8 bars long. So let's play the hook. It goes again. So it seems like this bit here must have been the first part of the hook. Let's just hear this bit here. It seems like this is going to be like a pre-hook. So we're just going to put that there for the time being. Yep. And then we're here. I'm guessing this is going to be the verse because it sounds completely different to what's been playing here. And usually choruses are not usually just 8 bars. They tend to be at least 16 bars. Or if it's 8 bars, then usually there'll be like a pre-hook or post-hook. This is not called pre-hook, it's called post-hook. Okay, so now the verse comes in. Seems like the hook came in again, because if we look at this bit, that melodic line there comes in. So let's go put that at the hook there. And I'm kind of guessing because we've already got this bit here, so 8 bars in, it'll probably most likely be the pre-chorus. Yep. So yeah. So that's the hook, post-hook. No, so we'll know that it's going to be 8 bars. So let's see what's coming next. Most likely the verse 2. Sounds different. We'll put verse 2 anyway. Seems like this is like a 16-bar verse. Oh no, so this bit here seemed quite different, so we're going to put that as the bridge. And then this bit here is the hook, but it's just some instruments came out. And then this is the post hook. Yep, sounds similar. Then the outro. And then it just ends out like that. So now we've got the song structure in play. We can see that 8 bars is from the intro to the hook there. 8 bars again from the hook to the post hook, 8 bars again, so in total this is 16 bars right here. Then from the verse to the hook, first verse, verse 1, let's rename that verse 1, it is 8 bars. And then if we go to the hook to the post hook, we can see that it is 8 bars. Post hook to verse 2, 8 bars, verse 2 is 8 bars, and the bridge is only 4 bars, then it continues like that. So now we've got the song structure in play. Now we can easily cut, because we've got the tempo set in play as well, so we can easily cut to where we want to cut. So for example, if we want to make an extended verse, we need to decide which verse do we want to now extend. Which part of the verse? Do we like the first verse? I like that one. Or we can do the second verse. First thing we need to decide is that what do we want to extend? Do you want to extend the first verse? So because we realize that this first verse is only 8 bars, let's say for example we want to make it 16 bars. We can either just decide to cut this bit out. So let's do that now. Not cut it out, but like just make it like a cut there and make a cut there. And then because it's 8 bars, so if I want to make it 16 bars, so if we want somebody to sing, so we want to make it 16 bars, so we're just gonna right shift click bring it down there, and then we're gonna move everything on this side 8 bars to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can tell it's just supposed to be here. And then I have to bring this bit here, and we'll drag it there. And then all we need to do now is move everything across, because now that everything is just a bit, it's not, it's supposed to be here. So now it's going to be like this. Okay, so now we can see that verse 1 here. Just like that. Now we've got a 16 bar verse. That's there. Now we've got a 16 bar verse instead of an 8 bar verse. And if we go to verse 2, if we want to make that, let's say for example, we want to make this bridge 8 bars. I'm just going to copy that first bit. So we're just going to cut that bit out there. Extend everything, because it's 4 bars in total. We're just going to shift everything 4 bars. Even these titles here, the markers. So it's easy, so we can recognize it easily. And then we just copy that there. Then now it's 8 bars. You can notice it's a bit choppy there, so if it's a bit choppy, all we need to do is go click on it itself and then press smooth. So now it's a smooth, it should be like a smooth transition. Yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you extend the beat. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Peace.